Hi people, in this video we are going to see how Infosys is going to recruit students in this pandemic situation. Let's get started. So recruitment pattern for Infosys is first they will conduct online aptitude tests, then followed by technical round and HR round. It will be face-to-face interview. And in written online tests, the academic criteria for eligibility is a minimum 60% in class 10 and 12 and 65% or above in bachelor's degree, and candidates should not have more than 2 years gap in education. And the test pattern is total 65 questions will be there for 95 minutes. In that quantitative aptitude, 10 questions for 35. So we have got enough time to solve quantitative aptitude. Then for logical reasoning, 15 questions for 25. And then comes verbal ability, 40 questions for 35 minutes. So total 65 questions for 95 minutes. We'll look into each section and we will discuss how the technical and HR interview will go. So in test description, there will be no negative marking, and it is better to score at least 70% in each section. And in verbal ability section, it will consist of reading comprehension passage, blanks, synonyms, antonyms, vocabulary, sentence corrections and all. Analytical and logical section consists of a question based on data efficiency, syllogism, blood relations, statement reasoning. In quantitative aptitude, it will have number series, formulae, algebra, probability. Probability is the main concept. At least 1 to 2 questions will be there from probability. Overall, the level of paper will be moderate. Only those candidates who clear the written exam will qualify for the next round. After clearing the written online test, you will be called for interview, face-to-face interview. First, they will conduct technical interview and it will be related to your field. If you are from ECE, mainly your questions will be based on data structures, microprocessors, and maybe MATLAB and simple digital circuits. And if you are from ISC or CSC background, they'll mainly touch upon data structures, algorithms, and basics of programming. Technical interview will go for around 25 to 30 minutes, and the main questions in technical round are they'll ask you to describe your projects and what you have done in your engineering life. After clearing technical interview, you will be called for HR interview. HR interview will be very simple. It will be around 10 to 15 minutes. They'll ask details about yourself. Are you ready to reallocate? Then where do you see yourself in next 5 years? And what you can contribute to our company? These are the simple questions they are going to ask. So when compared to other MNCs, Infosys interview pattern is really simple. There is only 3 rounds. Other MNCs like Capgemini, Cognizant, LTI, those people are conducting around 6 to 7 rounds, different psychometric tests and all. Infosys is not conducting those tests and it's really simple to crack. I have given the link in description. You can use a promo code of INFI100 DISC. You will get 100% free Infosys oriented placement test. So you can go and check. It is in description. Now I am going to show you some practice problems for online written test. So here comes first we'll have mathematical thinking, arithmetic reasoning, that is nothing but cons. Then communicative verbal 40 questions, total 65 questions for 95 minutes. There will be proctoring. In this test we don't have proctoring, but in the final session you will get proctoring. I'm going to touch upon simple questions. profit and loss, the price of vehicles kind of question. So in logical reasoning, they will ask us to find the angle at point X. This is one of the good question they have asked. If 764 xy is divisible by 90, then what will be the value of x plus y? So here we can use 90 as 9 into 10. So y should be 0 and the number should be divisible by 9 means the sum should be divisible by 3. So 7 plus 6 plus 4, 13, 13 and 14, 17. So 1 should be the answer. So easily in 1 or 2 minutes you can solve. So total 15 questions in 25 minutes. It's very easy. Now let's go to the next session. Next we have arithmetic reasoning and analytical thinking. In this they have coded computer into some language and what will be the Senate. If you see computer, it's coded as GKQLYPIN. First you write all the letters, then check how the pattern is there. After you find the relationship between ciphertext and plaintext, then you can easily find the ciphertext for Senate. This is also one important kind of question. They will give some details, you have to do some arrangements, then there will be series of questions based on the same question. So it's very easy and very important for us to solve these type of questions for cracking the interview. So the next session will be verbal session. In verbal session, it will be like a simple pair of words, antonyms, and it will directly check your vocabulary and comprehensions, ordering, and which sentence are grammatically correct. In verbal, we should be careful that we don't make any mistakes because all those options will be similar and it may seem correct but they are not, so we have to be careful when solving the verbal part. So this was some practice test. So here is the practice test. You can go and check. It will show your score and the weak points where you have to work. So also you can register for Infosys in InfyTQ website. It's a good opportunity in this pandemic situation where other companies are not offering jobs or they are removing employees due to pandemic situation. So this is a great opportunity. Don't miss it. All the best. And thank you for watching. If you have any doubt or if you require any help from me, please comment below. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you. Bye.